Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and if you are new here, hello again. My name is Sarah. Great intro, I know. I am fairly new too because something always goes kapow, stop, you are not filming. Every time I sort of get some sort of memento up, something happens. So anyway, I've been through it. I went on holiday, got sick, came back, went on holiday again, got sick, now I'm recovered. So fingers crossed, let's stay recovered. Although my two daughters are sick, and God help me, please, I do not want to get sick again. Anyway, that's not why you are here. You are here to see what I got and why I do not like my makeup. Now, this is not the raw makeup that I've already done a try on and review over on something else. This is the kind of fixed up version to make myself a little bit presentable for this video, but it's all coming off in the wash straight after this because I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just gonna continue cleaning and trying to fix this mess behind me. You should see the mess in front of me. It is ridiculous. If you want to see my makeup room wardrobe / dressing / whatever I call this whole big thing, let me know in the comments below because I am not ashamed to show you the mess around me. Let's just normalize busy mums, ADHD, and yeah, just not being able to get on top of it. Anyway, I've been to Sephora. I dropped a bag. I went to Sephora. Also got something from Gooch. And I also got a freebie from Mecca. So Mecca, for you non-Aussies, Mecca is basically Sephora. I don't know if you got like Ulta or something, is it? I don't know what you guys have got in America and what you guys have got in like all other countries. But Mecca is just an Australian beauty company that houses, sells all beauty, hair, or everything. So they've got a reward system called a beauty loop, and I'm a level 3, so I got this for free. First things first, restocked my OneSize setting spray. OneSize? Yes, OneSize setting spray. This does not work with a particular powder that I used. I was very upset one day, sprayed my face with this, and then my face kind of melted a little bit, and I was like, why is it doing that? And then I blamed OneSize, but I think it was just because it was like the powder. It was a mixture of whatever I had on that day, and a mixture of menopause. Like menopause, you know, you like the Wicked Witch of the West. Sorry to the Wicked fans. I like Wicked fans. Let's look at the old Oz movies and just be like, I'm melting every time I put makeup on and leave the house. Anywho. So I have been trying to get my hands on the powder mount, OneSize powder mount, and I think that's what it's called. It's probably wrong. I think that's what it's called, and it is specifically for when you have powders on your face. So I'm back on the OneSize train. It does work if I'm not wearing powder. Anyway, whilst I was standing at the OneSize counter, I saw Secure the Sweat. This, I am hoping, helps with my menopause sweat and stops the melting around here. So I have not tried this on today. I will try this on a day where I'm actually going out and will sweat and get back to you on that. What else did I get? Oh, I got this. I thought this was going to be a little bit like this, the Benefit lip tint. And I'm like, oh, you know, this is going to be really cute. I didn't like it. I didn't like the look of it on my lips. I don't know why. Open, Sarah. I didn't like the look of it on my lips, but I don't mind it as a cheek tint. Like, it's quite light, but on my lips it looks really, really red, and it was like, I don't know if red lipstick really suits me or it was the combination of what I had on my face, but it wasn't doing it for me. So that's what I got from Sephora. I will use this, but I'll use it on my, and it it's dried down on my hands. It's dried down on my hand. This did not dry down on my lip. Like, you can still see maybe a little bit of a, like, anyway, didn't dry down on my lip. It stayed quite tacky and black. Not tacky, but sticky. I don't know. Like, my lips aren't sticky now because I've put on, oh, put this on. This I love. This is an Hermes Rose Tan. It's just like a balm. Oh my God, this is like, I just keep putting it on my lips. Anyway, I'll put it on next to the other thing. Oh, it's very similar color. Look at that. This is the Hermes down here, and that's the tint. But this is, oh my God, it's like, bathe in it. It's just so moisturizing, and I've got to do, this is my ADHD. It's getting away with me. So back onto the makeup train. What else did I get? This I got for free from Mecca. This I did not like. I'm going to put my try-ons in the video if I can see there. I'll put a video of me trying it on so you can see. But watermelon glow, nice. Does it smell like watermelon? Oh my God, it does. That's weird. But I didn't like it. Like, it was maybe a bit too dark for me, but it just made my face, maybe I could use it as a body. I could use that like as a bit of a body glow, like around my neck or something. Maybe I could do that. Oh, anyway, I put it on my face. I've had to fix my face and put other stuff on my face. Like, I'm not liking my makeup today. Like, so yeah, I wasn't real keen on this. Kind of made me look, I don't know. Anyway, it says that you can use this under your foundation. I put this under my very, very light Chanel tint. This stuff, women out there of my age, this stuff is amazing. So I put the light one on because I thought this is going to bronze me up. Didn't. I looked too light. So the new Gucci mascara. So this is Full Fan Effect Volume Curl Mascara. So this lash, not curled with a curler. This lash curled with a curler. They pretty much look the same. It did, like, it went on really nicely. It's very, very wet. But that's the applicator. So it's got sort of like a longer here, shorter here. It's got a little bit of a bend to it. I did like the shorter bit for down here, and this went on. So it goes on very, very wet, so keep that in mind. But obviously it's like dried down now. It does not feel heavy on the lashes. And it's a nice dark color. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I actually really liked this. I really, really like this. This is definitely gonna be my go-to from now on. Yeah, but that's kind of it. Like, just a little one to get us back into the groove of things together, you know, just warm you back up to me. But yeah, I'm sorry I'm a little all over the place. I am just, you know, one of those people. My brain goes a million miles an hour. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for my new subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Like, thank you so much. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking my videos, watching my videos. Like, it just means so much to me. And I just love it. Like, I know I've got like the teeniest little bit of subscribers, but it's like growing, and I just love it, and I'm very excited. So can't wait to see where this goes, and I have so much more to bring to this channel. So yeah, if you can, if you're new, or you know, if you've been here for a little bit, because I've only been here for a little bit, like, if you're new, subscribe, turn on the bell, get notifications for when I do upload, because I promise, like, I'm gonna keep uploading. Hopefully nothing comes in and goes, oh, Sarah, stop, you've got other things to do. Like, no, I need to dedicate time to this because I love it. It's exciting. I love chatting. Anyway, I'm excited. So if you want to see the mess around me and how I'm trying to, like, I don't know, figure it out, definitely let me know, because I'm happy to do a video on that. But I do have some fun little things coming up, and yeah, so thank you very much, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Ciao, ciao, bye.